go guys, I'm frying a smoked bacon in the frying pan for later. This is the first thing that we have to do before anything else, so later you'll see. So here's the one that I fried from the frying pan, the smoked bacon with broccoli, this is a bell pepper and finely chopped carrots, cheddar cheese, and salt and pepper, and then we're just all gonna mix it all up and put them aside for later. Let's put that aside. Put that aside there, and let me move these. Here guys, I have 4 pieces of breast fillet. Cut it in half like a butterfly shape. Now I'm gonna put some pepper. Taste. And then let's turn it around. Alright. Salt and pepper for the taste. And turn it back around. So what I'm gonna do, at this time I'm washing my hand. Excuse the sounds at the background. And this time I'm looking for the barbecue sticks. Which just takes me a long time to say it though. Excuse for that. And we're gonna stuff in with this, the one that I made before. So I need to use my hand guys, sorry, because this is my hands is clean though, so I used the barbecue stick because it's more bigger than the toothpick, and I don't have the toothpick anyway, so I used the bigger one. So I used this one, so when we fry it, all the stuffing inside the chicken, it won't come out. That's why we use this toothpick for it. Can you see what I'm doing? It's a little bit hard guys, but it's okay, because that will, you can take that off later when everything's done. There you go. It's not. So here guys, I need to fast forward it so it's not so It's taking me a long time to do it, but it's all worth it, guys. I'm telling you, it's all worth it. It's a bit messy to do, but it's okay. I have a lot of time at the minute while I'm not working, so there you go. Trying to put all this stuff in the middle of the chicken, so yeah. This is the fun bit, but it's the messy bit one. I like doing this stuff, and I'm enjoying it. This is the first time I will cook this, so I just had some ideas, so thinking, shall I do it or not? Is it worth it to do it? Definitely. At the end, it's enjoyable. So guys, still got leftover here. So what we're gonna do is we just stuck it all in there. Put all the stuffing inside the chicken, and later on we're gonna put it all in a plate and put it in the fridge for till when I'll cook it. And this time I'm waiting for the frying pan to be heat and put some butter. Here it is, guys. We're gonna turn it over now. Ooh, it's really smells good, guys. Turn it over. That's why you need the stick to hold the stuffing that we put in the middle. What did you say?
Smell really good.
Oh, she said it smells really good. Mommy's cooking smells really good. Thank you very much. So here, guys, I have to turn it around because we got to. Oh, look at that! It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Let's turn it around again because we got. Yeah, see? Okay. Oh, my daughter said, Mommy, it really smells good. We have to cover it up with 20-30 minutes, guys. We just put that thing so it won't get burned on the oven, yeah? I'll see you in a bit, guys. Yeah, so be careful, guys. Gas mark number 5 for 20-30 minutes, and it's all perfectly cooked. See you later. 5 minutes, and then later on I'll put this, you know, this easy to, might put that carrot as well. Carrots, yeah. And then put the last one for broccoli. 5 minutes before everything's cooked, okay? And then that's it, guys. See you in a bit. Just be careful because it's really hot. I'll get a plate. Okay, here you go, guys. Have a look at that. Yes. Look at that. It's all meat. Really nice. And that sauce from there, we're gonna make it, we're gonna put it in the gravy, chicken gravy. And I'll see you in a bit, guys. Oh, hang on. Here you go, guys. You see how good it is. It's so neaty. Then I'll separate it for the, you know, one for my husband, one for me, one for my boy and my little girl. But actually 1.5 for my husband and 1 for my little girl. I'll see you in a bit. So I'll separate all the plates, so here you go. Smell really good. Excuse my face because I, you know, it's quarantine, I don't need to put makeup on. And I'm so cozy with my coat in the house. As you know, I'm always cold. At this point, I'll separate all the chicken in 4 plates. Let's put you somewhere closer. Then I'll separate all vegetables in 4 plates as well. So when I serve it, it's also good for 1 person. So everything has flavor, so it takes a long time to separate these vegetables. Hope it's not boring you guys. Okay. So I can't imagine that I could do this everything video. So I just am quite happy. Thank you very much for your patience. So everything I put it on the plate. Now the gravy time. I love this part. I love gravy. As we all know, I'm a gravy lover. I love a gravy so much. I know it's fattening, but it's delicious. Excuse my husband's voice in this, so thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, likes, comment. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day.